Hey, what's up guys? Me Kevin and I'm back for another keyboard review. So marami nagre-request ng mga murang keyboard. Napakaraming murang keyboard right now. But Matthew Shop from Shopee, lilink ko sa baba, is kind enough to send me one of their best entry-level na keyboard sa market. Napakaraming murang keyboard ngayon. Pero this one na ginamit ko, one of the best thing ginagamit ko ngayon. Actually, it's here. Ginagamit ko siya for almost a week and I'm really impressed by it. But I really like the design of the box, the new really designed box of their product. Meron siyang mga features dito na pinapakita, Windows and Mac and Android compatible siya. Mechanical hot swap siya, no? And RGB. Of course, tri-mode siya, no? May 2.4 wireless connection and meron din siyang Bluetooth and of course yung wired connection niya. I'm really liking the design. This is the Matthew MK86, so 75% keyboard na may metal knob. So I'm really liking the design of this keyboard, very minimalist. For now, i-unbox muna natin. Actually, na-unbox ko na siya. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung laman nitong box na ito. I'm really impressed by it and shout out ulit kay Matthew Shop for providing this keyboard for a review. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. So na-unbox ko na siya. I said earlier, I'm using it for about a week. At ito yung box niya. Meron din silang Discord. Yan, pwede kayo sumali. Meron din silang website. Yan, pwede nyo tignan. Nandito yung, of course, yung manual. And, of course, yung switch puller at yung keycap puller. Kasama yan. Meron din siya, of course, yung Type-C. No, hindi siya, braided, no? Ano lang siya. Rubber na Type-C cable. At meron din siyang maliit na brush for cleaning up your keyboard. So yun lang actually yung kasama dito sa box na to. So let's proceed with the more important part, is the keyboard itself. So let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo yung keyboard. So this is the MK86 keyboard. Dito yung layout na napadala sa atin. Ito yung keycap color scheme na naibigay nila. Very nice yung color combination. Meron siyang red dito, meron siyang gray and white. I like the combination, very neutral. And ito yung metal knob niya, no? Okay naman yung feeling niya. Meron siya pa palang 5,000 mAh na battery. So, maglalast siya ng matagal, lalo na pag naka-off yung RGB. And ito nga palang switch na gamit ko at napili ko. Meron silang tatlong variant. Ang napili ko is the KTT Wine na linear switch. Sound test natin yan mamaya, no? Isa yan sa mga pinakamurang switch na okay for linear. On par with Gateran Milky Pro Yellow. Ito naman yung sa likod niya. Meron siyang switch dito for Windows and Mac. Meron din siya dito yung gitna, yung wired. Meron din siyang, of course, yung wireless mode at yung Bluetooth mode. Meron din siya, ito yung lagayan niya ng dongle. Magnetic yan. Nakakabit dito sa laptop ko. At meron siyang dual na adjustable height, no? So, pwede nyo adjust ng medium to high yung height nyo. So, meron din siyang very colorful na teal na Type-C cable dito sa left part niya. So I'm really impressed by the color scheme. I'm really impressed by the build. Very solid. Medyo may kabigatan siya. So kahit plastic siya, overall covered siya ng plastic, pero parang feel ko nakagamit na ako ng mga aluminum na keyboard, pero parang ganun din siya kabigat. Very solid, parang unibody siya, parang naka MacBook, pero plastic siya. Ito nga palang variant ko, meron siyang magdidepend yan sa color scheme, no? Meron umaabot siya ng 3.5 to 3.9. Sabihin ko na yung presyo. This one is variants around 3,480 pesos, I think, itong variant na to. At depende sa keycap set na ililink ko rin sa baba. Makikita nyo doon yung different color scheme, different switch na pwede nyo pwede kayong mag-combine ng switch and keycaps. So this one is one of the cheapest combination that you can find. Let's proceed with the next step. So, test naman natin siya, no? So, yung sound test niya. So, linear switch, KTT Wine Red. Let's proceed. really concludes my quick review about this keyboard. No? I'm really impressed by this keyboard. Sa ganitong presyo sa 3,500, this is one of the best. Ito talaga yung marirecommend ko. Marami na akong nagamit na keyboard, marami nang napadala sa akin. But this one is at the top nitong sa ganitong presyuhan. Kahit na plastic siya, I don't care. I really like this build. Gusto ko siya i-customize. I mean, napakarami po pwedeng gawin. Gasket mounted siya. Tapos pwede mo i-customize, lagyan ng tape mode, holy mode, very customizable. Sa lahat ng mga nagsisimula keyboard, you want to customize your own, you want to build your own keyboard, you want to customize a keyboard, gusto niyo palitan yung keycaps, yung switch, i-mode niyo yung PCB, yung stabilizers, mag-lube kayo, whatever. This is one to consider. I mean, I really like the layout, the TKL, the arrow keys, the volume knob. Very pleasing na yung mga features ito. To add to more that, I think this is really one of the best out there in terms of price to performance to features is concerned. I'm really impressed by it. I'm gonna be using this for a long time. Thank you for sending this, Matthew Shop. Another shout out to you. I-check nyo yung link, check nyo yung mga products sila, napakaganda. So, lahat ng description makikita, kailangan nyo malaman, ilalagay ko sa description. At kung may questions kayo regarding this keyboard, I welcome all questions. If ever meron kayo suggestions or comment about this keyboard or about me, about the channel, let me know at the comment section down below. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope ay nakatulong ako sa inyo sa paghahanap ng keyboard. This one, I can easily recommend sa lahat ng gusto magsimula. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on my next review.